Rajendra. In this video, we are discussing about trigonometry questions. These questions will help in not only in MSET, BITSET or VIT, and it may be help in JMNs and nowadays competitive exams like DSC, School Assistant Mathematics. Also, it will help dear students. Those who are watching first time, please do like and subscribe to our channel. This is my sincere request to all new viewers. Just I'm seeing that who joined in that. Yeah. Let us have a discussion. The first question here. Tan 6 degrees, tan 42 degrees, tan 66 degrees, tan 78 degrees equal to. So, to solve these type of problems, are you all able to see? Yes, we can. Yes. This question, to solve this question, we have different methods, but in that whichever is easy method that I am going to explain. We know that tan A, tan 60 minus A, tan 60 plus A, which is equal to tan 3A. This is the standard result, very important result. They may chances to ask in DSC School Assistant directly this is equal to options 1 by 3 tan A, tan 3A. Like this they may chances to ask, dear students, dear friends. After that, what we have to do is put A is equal to 6 degrees in the above. In the equation 1 you take it, in the result 1. In the result 1. This is the result I am taking 1. So what comes? Tan 6 degrees, tan 54 degrees, tan 66 degrees is equal to tan 18 degrees. Am I right? Equation 2. Next, put A is equal to 18 degrees in the result 1. So tan 18 into tan 60 minus 18. So what comes? 42 degrees will come. Into tan 78 is equal to tan 3 into 18, 54 degrees. Equation number 3. So they are asking to find the result. Tan 6 into tan 42 into tan 66 into tan 78. So you have to multiply equation 2 into equation 3. So LHS side you have to multiply is equal to RHS side values also multiply. See here LHS side I am writing. It implies that tan 6 degrees into tan 54 degrees into tan 66 degrees into tan 18 degrees, tan 42 degrees into tan 78 degrees is equal to tan 18 into tan 54 degrees. So just we multiplied equation 2 and equation 3. So both sides tan 18 get cancelled, tan 54 get cancelled. This side nothing is there, means 1 here. So the remaining terms tan 6 degrees, tan 42 degrees, I'm writing in the order. Tan 66 degrees and into tan 72 degrees is equal to 1. That's what they are asking, no? Tan 6 degrees, tan 42, tan 66, tan 72. Sorry, 78. Here not 78, sorry. 78 is equal to 1. So your answer is second option, dear students. We'll move on to another question. All different category questions from trigonometry. This is the video 1, video 2 also. In the coming days I will make it. The maximum value of 12 sin x minus 5 cos x plus 3. We know that it is in the form of a sin x plus b cos x plus c. Whenever the function is of the form a sin x plus b cos x plus c, then the maximum value is c plus root of a square minus b square, a square plus b square. If it is minimum value, c minus root of a square plus b square. So here directly they are asking to find maximum value, no? So maximum value is equal to c plus root over a square plus b square. So what is c in this 3? Root over a square. A value is what? 12. 12 square means 144. B square minus 5 whole square is 25. So 3 plus root 169. What is root 169? 13. So 3 plus 13 which is equal to 16. So the maximum value is 16. It is there in the third option, dear students. We'll move on to another question. In this question number, if anyone wants to chart with me after completing of the session also, you can write. Otherwise, I am unable to chart with you, those who are. Next question, sine square 76 degrees plus sine square 16 degrees minus sine 76 into sine 16. So first make into any formula format, sin square a minus sin square b, but it is not in that form. See, here what I am doing is sin square 16 as it is I am writing. Sin square 76 what I am writing is 1 minus cos square 76. After that remaining minus sin 76 into sin 16. What is the use of writing? What is the advantage to write like this way? See, which is equal to, if I take common from these two terms, minus, we are going to get the form of cos square a minus sin square b. Cos square a minus sin square b means what? Cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. So first one as it is we are writing, minus cos square 76 degrees minus sine square 16 degrees, minus here multiplying and dividing by 2 to get the form of 2 sin A sin B. I hope you understand. Those who know the formulas, they can understand easily when I am explaining here. Otherwise, please go through the formulas. Cos square A minus sin square B means cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B. So cos of A plus B, 76 plus 16 is cos 92 into cos 76 minus 16, 60 degrees. This bracket value is over. Minus 1 by 2. 2 sin A sin B means cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. Cos of A minus B, 76 minus 16. So 60 degrees minus cos 76 plus 16 is cos 92, which is equal to 1 minus cos 60 value is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into cos 92 degrees minus 1 by 2 into cos 60 value is 1 by 2 minus cos 92 degrees. Now you are going to remove this bracket here by multiplying with minus 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 cos 92 degrees minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 4, minus into minus is plus, 1 by 2 into cos 92 degrees. So minus cos 92 degrees plus cos 92 degrees get cancelled. So the remaining is 1 minus 1 by 4, which is equal to 3 by 4. So the first option is the right option for this question. I hope you understand, dear students. We'll move on to another set of questions. The smallest positive value in degrees of theta for which tan theta plus 100 degrees is equal to tan theta plus 50 degrees into tan theta into 50 degrees minus theta. So theta minus 50. Theta minus 50 degrees is valid is first option 60 degrees, second option 45 degrees, 30 degrees, 15 degrees. So it may be a little lengthy problem. There is no alternate for this, that's why we have to do that like this. See, first what we have to do is this tan theta minus tan theta plus 100 degrees by tan theta minus 50 degrees equal to tan theta plus 50 degrees into tan theta. So tan means sine by cos. So sine of theta plus 100 divided by cos theta plus 100. So sine by cos means sine will come in the denominator. Sine theta minus 50 degrees cos theta minus 50 degrees. Are you all able to understand? Here also same thing. Sine of theta plus 50 divided by cos of theta plus 50 sin theta by cos theta. Here we are going to apply completando and dividendo. By applying C and D means by applying completando and dividendo. See, sin of theta plus 100 cos of theta minus 50 plus cos of theta plus 100 into sine of theta minus 50 divided by same thing minus sine of theta plus 100 cos of theta minus 50 minus cos of theta plus 100 sine of theta minus 50, which is equal to, so here also same thing, sine of theta plus 50 into sine theta plus cos of theta plus 50 into cos theta divided by sine of theta plus 50 into sine theta minus cos of theta plus 50 into cos theta sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, sin of A minus B. So sin of theta plus 100 minus theta plus 50. Sorry, plus no? This is plus only, sorry. By sin of A plus B, so denominator sin of A minus B. Theta plus 100 minus theta plus 50 is equal to numerator cos A cos B plus sin A sin B cos of A minus B, cos of theta plus 50 minus theta A B cos A cos B plus sin A sin cos of A minus B divided by cos A cos B minus I am taking common, cos A cos B minus sin A means cos of theta plus 50 plus minus if I take common. Okay. Now numerator sin 2 theta plus 50 by sin 150 is equal to cos 50 degrees, here minus I am taking here only, by cos 2 theta plus 50. What is sin 150? Sin of 180 minus 30. Sin of 180 minus theta, sin 30 only, sin 30 means 1 by 2. So directly I am writing 2 sin 2 theta plus 50 and then cross multiply cos 2 theta plus 50 is equal to minus cos 50 degrees. Okay. 2 sin A cos B, 2 sin A sin B, 2 sin A sin B, 2 sin A cos A means what? Sin 2A. So sin 2 times of 2 theta, 4 theta plus 100 degrees is equal to minus, here also I want to make change. So first what I am going to do is cos of 50 can be written as 90 minus 40. Can I do like this? After that 90 minus 40 means what? 50 only will come now. So sin 4 theta plus 100 is equal to cos of 90 minus theta is sin theta. So minus sin 40. So minus I am bringing into the bracket of this value. So sin 4 theta plus 100 is equal to sin of minus 40 degrees. It is looking like, if you go to the trigonometric equations, sin theta is equal to sin alpha, then general solution is theta equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into alpha. So in place of theta, what value is there? So here also same situation, sin 4 theta plus 100 is equal to sin minus 40. That implies that 4 theta plus 100 is equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into minus 40. So this 100 will bring this side. So 4 theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n minus 40 minus 100 degrees. Okay. Next, so theta equal to n pi by 4 minus 1 whole power n into dividing by 4 now minus 10 minus 25. Okay. Yeah, 1 minute dear students. From here, we no need of doing this one, but they are asking to find what they are asking, smallest positive value. So n is equal to 0 onwards, you can take it. N is equal to 0 if you take in this, what comes? 4 theta equal to, anything power 0 is 1, so minus 140. It is not positive smallest value. So it is not our answer. So what we can go? N is equal to 1, you can take it. So 4 theta equal to, n is equal to 1 if you take pi, n is equal to 1 means minus of minus plus 40 minus 100. So 4 theta is equal to, pi means what? 180 only, no? 180 plus 40 minus 100. So 4 theta equal to 220 minus 100. So 4 theta equal to 120. So theta equal to 30 degrees only. So theta equal to 30 degrees is the smallest value. After that n is equal to 2, you take other value will come better. Compared with 30, it will be big. So smallest positive angle theta in this. So theta is 30 degrees. This is the way we can do, dear students. Of course, little lengthy, but the concept is good concept. So you need to understand that. Okay, we'll move to other questions. At least 6 or 7 questions. We'll do it. It will be good for the session. The value of 5 cos theta plus 3 cos of theta plus pi by 3 plus 3 lies between. So first option minus 2 and 5. Second option minus 1 and 8. Minus 3 and 6. Minus 4 and 10. It's about another question. Here I am writing the statements with these two words. Statement 1. S1 means statement 1. Sin 55 plus sin 53 minus sin 19 minus sin 17 is equal to cos 2 degrees. Statement 2. A range of 1 by 3 minus cos 2x is 1 by 4 closed 1 by 2. 1 by 4 closed interval of 1 by 4 comma 1 by 2. Which of the following is correct? Which of the following statements, simply following, is correct? So first option, both S1 and S2 are true. Second option, both S1 and S2 are false. Third one, S1 is true and S2 is false. D, S1 is false and S2 is true. We will do it just this case. The first one, we need to simplify. First, 5 cos theta plus 3 into cos of A plus B formula. Cos theta into cos pi by 3. Pi by 3 means 60 degrees only. So cos 60 degrees means 1 by 2. Minus cos of A plus B means cos A cos B minus sin sin B. Sin theta into root 3 by 2 plus 3. So here 5 cos theta plus 3 by 2 cos theta minus 3 root 3 divided by 2 sin theta plus 3. If we do this one, 13 by 2 cos theta minus 3 root 3 by 2 sin theta plus 3. This is C value, this is B value, this is A value. So they are asking to find indirectly maximum and minimum values, which is range. C minus root over A square plus B square. So 3 minus root over A square means 169 by 4 plus 3 root 3 whole square means 27 divided by 4. 3 minus root over 196 divided by 4. So 3 minus root 4 4s are 16, 4 9s. So 3 minus 7, which is equal to minus 4. Next, C plus root of A square plus B square, which is equal to C value 3. This after simplifying it comes as plus only. So it lies between. So f of theta, simply we are taking as this is f of theta. So f of theta lies between, f of theta lies between minus 4 and 10. Minus 4 and 10, it is there in the fourth option, dear students. Now we will move to another question. This type of question is very important. These chances are there to ask. First, statement 1, whether it is correct or not, we will verify. Statement 1. In statement 1, Sine 55 plus sine 53. Sine 55 plus sine 53 minus sine 19 plus sine 17. We need to simplify sine c plus sine d. 2 sine c plus d by 2. 55 plus 53. 80. Sorry, 108. 108 by 4 means sine 54 only, no? So sine 54 degrees. Next, cos 55 minus 53. 2 degrees. 2 degrees by 2 means 1 degree only, no? Minus. Again sin c plus sin d. 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. So 2 sin 19 plus 17, 36. 36 by 2, 18. Next, 19 minus 17 cos 2 degrees. 2 degrees by 2 means 1 degree. So 2 cos 1 degree into sine of 54 degrees minus sine of 18 degrees. So which is equal to 2 cos 1 degree sine 54 root 5 plus 1 by 4 minus root 5 minus 1 by 4. So 2 cos 1 degree root 5 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus root 5 by 4 plus 1 by 4. So which is equal to 2 cos 1 degree into 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, 1 by 2. 2 to get cancelled. Cos 1 degree. It is given as cos 2 degrees. No? So therefore, we conclude that statement 1 is false. So statement 1 is false in this. So obviously it comes, but we need to prove whether it is correct or not. Just we will write this statement 2. Anyway, separate question they make answers to ask this question. So first we know that cos 2x lies between minus 1 and plus 1. But here minus cos is there. So whenever you are multiplying by minus, inequality will change. Next, minus plus 3 is there. So adding 3, 1 plus 3 is greater than or equal to 3 minus cos 2x is greater than or equal to 3 minus 1. So 4 is greater than or equal to 3 minus cos 2x is greater than or equal to 2. But the reciprocal is there 1 by. So whenever you are writing reciprocal, it will be, inequality will be also changed. So 1 by 4, inequality will be changed as less than or equal to 1 by 3 minus cos 2x is less than or equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, range of 1 by 3 minus cos 2x is closed 1 by 4, comma 1 by 2. I hope you understand this, students. We'll move on to another set of questions in the next class. I hope everyone understand. Why? Because it is late time. I already done, I think 7 to 8 questions. We'll do in the next tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Thank you for signing off. Maths with Panit.